You might have heard a lot of discussion in the media about the estate tax and wondered what it is and how it affects you. Those are logical questions because the estate tax laws are ever changing, and it's so natural to wonder how it would affect you. Currently, the law of the land is that spouses can give each other whatever they would like to, completely gift and estate tax free. So if I die and leave $1 billion to my spouse, there will be zero estate tax assessed on that transfer because it's my spouse. For anyone who's not your spouse, there is a limit on how much you can give, either during life, at death, or in combination, without that transfer being subject to gift or estate tax. And currently, in 2023, that limit is $12.92 million. Pretty significant. What this means practically is if you write a check to your child tomorrow for $10 million, you will report that transfer on a gift tax return. There will not be any tax to pay for that transfer, and you will subtract that $10 million gift from your $12.92 total, leaving you with $2.92 million of exemption remaining. And you can use that exemption with additional lifetime gifts or upon your death when you pass assets to your family in your will. Now, this exemption is significant, but under current law, if nothing changes, what will happen is that the exemption will creep up just a little bit each year with inflation. And then on December 31st, 2025, the exemption will be cut in half to somewhere in the $6 to $7 million range. Well, what does this mean? What this means is that the time to take advantage of the exemptions is now. If you give me a gift of $10 million today, and the exemptions change as scheduled at the end of 2025, the IRS cannot come back to you and say, you gave that money back in 2023, the laws changed, now you owe us tax. You got the advantage of using the better exemptions at the right time. So now is the time to really discuss how to use your exemptions. And we would be so happy at Homrich Berg to have that talk about how best to leverage the use of your exemptions today to benefit your family tomorrow.